Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 125. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the camera portion. This is a Sony model BVP-7. Here's the model sticker. There are some controls here. On the front there's a couple more controls, a stop-start button, and a white-black balance. And here's a collar to hold the lens on. And up here is a dial that changes filters. Some connections on the side here. Here's where that cable from the lens hooks up, and here's where the viewfinder hooks up. And the connector here is where the video tape recorder hooks up. We'll look at that in the next video. Here's the shoulder rest, and there's a tripod mount. So now it's time to get behind these panels. I'll start on this side. There's just 4 screws here, and they are captive into the panel. And now the panel should lift off. We will get under these boards in a little bit, but there's some boards on the other side we're going to go take a look at first. So now, just like the other side, there are 4 screws here. Oh, and one quick thing to show that I forgot when I was showing the filters. There is a list here of what the filters are. And here's what this side looks like. These actually come out as cards. This has a delay line on it. We'll take a closer look at these as I pull them out. Here's the next one. A lot of adjustments on this one. There are a lot of adjustments all over this camera. No real surprise, as it is analog. There's a mask on-off switch. More adjustments. A couple of these cards even have switches on them. Now, we already looked at this card. This is the one with the delay line, but there's the back of it. This plastic shield should just lift right off. These are just insulating dividers to keep the cards from shorting against each other. Here's some more adjustments here. We'll take a closer look here. There, you can kind of read them. I'm going to pause for a minute and see how much further I can go into this. I shall return. Now this board has some various switches and adjustments. I'm not going to mess with any of these adjustments because it works just fine as it is. Now let's see which board to look under next. We'll come back to this one. Now this one has a memory capacitor on it. And we already saw the back near the beginning. Now we'll take a look at this board. This has the feeds from the CCDs. You can see the red, blue, and green labels on the front. Now I'm not going too much further into this. Now this board is where the cards plug into, these cards. And here are the 3 CCDs. I don't want to break anything. Let me pause for a minute and see if I can get this board out. This board did come out. It was just a little tight. And here's the board that was below it. Well, this is as far as I'm willing to go into this, and it shouldn't take too much time to put it back together. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.